Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today magluluto tayo ng steamed tilapia. I will show to you how easy it is and ito yung mga ingredients natin. We have 2 tomatoes, 1 medium size onion, magic sarap, butter, pepper, ground pepper, and of course 2 pieces ng tilapia. So let's begin.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, in a separate bowl, nilagay natin yung mixture ng onion, tomato, and then lalagyan natin siya ng 1 pack ng magic sarap. After that, maglalagay din tayo ng pepper.
I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Ito yung mixture natin.
I'm gonna be someone else, I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone
Mimix lang natin.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town.
Okay, after natin ma-mix to, lalagay natin siya sa pan. I-spread out natin siya sa pan. And then, ilalagay natin yung tilapia na may konting salt din na seasoning. Okay? So guys, ito na yung mixture ng tomato and onion with magic sarap and pepper, ground pepper. And then, in-spread out ko na siya dyan sa pan. And then, ilalagay natin yung tilapia with konting salt lang. Ganyan. And then, after that, lalagyan natin siya ng konting water, maybe half a cup. Kasi i-steam natin siya. And then, lulutuin natin siya. Low fire lang para hindi siya agad matuyo. And then, after that, maglalagay tayo ng butter sa ibabaw para hindi siya manikit.
I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Low fire lang dapat. So, hihinaan natin yung apoy niya. So, antay lang tayo ng ilang minutes. Pag bumuka na yung cut niya dito, yan. Pwede natin siyang i-flip. Pwede rin namang hindi, pero ako, fini-flip ko siya para just to make sure na talagang even yung luto ng isda. Okay? Tatakpan din natin siya, and then yun, para ma-steam siya. You can use oil sa ibabaw or yung takip lang ng pan niya. Ayan, I put foil, and then yung kinover ko pa siya ng kinover ko pa yung pan para mas masil yung steam niya sa loob. Okay. Later, lalagyan natin siya ng butter pag malapit na siyang maluto. Okay. Looks done already. Lalagyan na natin siya ng butter. Kasi yung butter is nag-a-add din naman talaga ng flavor. Spread lang natin yung butter dyan. You can put more if you want. Yan. Ako, enough na yon kasi meron naman siyang konting oil kanina. So, pwede na yan. Wait lang natin na mag-melt yung butter, okay na siya. Pwede na natin siya i-transfer sa platter niya. What do you guys cook during Holy Week? Since hindi pwedeng lumabas ngayon, my mother used to send us what do you call this? It's called yung toge na kulay pink. Buro. It's called buro. Every Friday, pag Holy Friday or Black Friday, is nagsisend ng ang mother ko ng buro sa amin. Yun yung ulam namin. Ewan ko kung nakatikim na kayo nun. It's fermented toge. And then meron siyang fish na nilalagay. Yung iba hindi nagugustuhan yun kasi hindi lasang panis daw. Well, it's called buro nga, kaya parang lasang panis, pero masarap siya in fairness. Since ngayon community quarantine, so for sure hindi kami makakatikim dahil bawal lumabas ngayon. So yan, yun yung mamimiss ko this year na Holy Week na hindi ko matitikman. How about you guys? Anong ulam or anong dish yung usually na kinakain nyo during Holy Week? Today, I cook steamed tilapia. Syempre, bawal ang meat. So, fish yung dish namin ngayon. And then, may konting saging na saba for dessert. Rice. And then, may sausawang toyo and calamansi. And if you want maanghang, you can put sili. Sarap na yun. Solved na ang lunch. Okay, I think it's done already. Masyado na akong nagiging chatty sa inyo. Yan. Pwede natin siyang i-transfer sa magandang lalagyan. Tapos may konti siyang sabaw. Parang hindi naman siya masyadong dry. Kasi yung fish, lalabasan pa yun ng water naglagay pa tayo ng half cup ng water. So, ayan. Hindi ko na siya patutuyuin masyado kasi ayoko namang masyadong masyado kasi malambot yung fish Kasi fresh tilapia ito. So, nung bilhin ko siya is gumagalaw-galaw pa talaga. Lumulundag pa. So, ayan. Okay. Transfer na natin siya sa platter. So guys, here is the finished product. My steamed tilapia. Served with sweet banana. Okay guys, it's time to eat. See you on my next vlog. Bye!
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.